Hi, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to engage with this course and, of course, signing up for this mathematics course. My name is Antoinette Marie Davis, and I will be your instructor for this course. My goal is for you to be able to go through and learn all that needs to be learned in this course so that you will be able to go forward in future math courses and find applications for your current career. A little bit about myself. I am a mathematician. I have been teaching for over 15 plus years in the area of mathematics. I have also been teaching online for quite a few years. So I want to make sure that this course is helpful for you in order to be able to show you what is needed in order to be successful. Lastly, keep in mind that it is important to read the weekly announcement so that you are aware, one, of what is the expectation for the week, and you can also watch my video that I have created for you based on the week's work. Also, keep in mind that there are assignments that will be due on your initial discussion is due on Thursday, but the responses are due on Saturday. And also keep in mind that your knowledge path assignments will be due during the week as well. Please refer to your syllabus for further details.